Hi everyone, today is the 13th day of 30 days new word learning challenge. So in this challenge, the first word is antecedents. Antecedents means something that comes before another event or things. For example, the antecedents of breakfast before work keeps me energized through the morning. Or another example, we must respect the antecedents of the senior team decision when proposing new innovative. So something is happening before any other event. So you can say antecedents. Next, depreciated. Depreciated. Depreciated means to show or describe the something in the word, pictures, or art. For example, in the movie, village life is nicely dissipated. Shocking slur. Shocking slur means an offensive or insulting remark that surprised the people. For example, the politician's shocking slur ended his career overnight. So some politician commented or any viral things. So that time might be that comment is wrong or something misleading. So that time it's a very drawback for that politician. So in that sense, you can use the politician shocking slur ended his career overnight. Next, proximity. Proximity means the state of being near the close or something or someone. For example, I love the proximity of my apartment to the coffee shop, so I can grab my morning coffee under 2 minutes. You can say, or you can say another example. Research show that proximity to nature resource significantly influence the people settlement pattern throughout the history. Next, chatter. Chatter means light or informal talk or sound of the quick repetitive noise. Someone continuously talking beside to you slowly, but you are not able to listen properly even, and that guy is not going to stop. So in that sense, you can use the chatter. For example, if you want to in daily conversation, the office was filled with Monday morning chatter about the weekend plans. Means whatever people do on the weekend, they discuss generally on the morning what they did on the weekend. Or in the formal sense, please reduce the chatter during the presentation to maintain the professionalism. So you can use the chatter word in that way. Next, ice on the cake. Ice on the cake, it's you can say it's a phrase one. Its meaning is an extra benefit that makes a good situation even better. For example, getting free dessert was the ice on the cake after the amazing dinner. It's a type of the compliment you can say. So wherever you want to think it's a situation, you can use. For example, the salary is a great, but remote work flexibility is a really that ice on the cake for this position. Next word, scarcity. Scarcity means the state of being in the short supply or not enough for something. For example, water is scarcity. Many cities facing nowadays the water is scarcity, so we should save the water. Or another example I added here, water scarcity is a growing global concern. So you can use the scarcity in this way. Next, asserted. Asserted means state something confidently or forcefully as a true. For example, she asserted that the restaurant was the best in the town and everyone agreed to try it. So you are with your friend circle and someone is forcefully saying that that place is good and we should go there. So in that sense you can use. So here I already mentioned the one example. Another example you can say, he asserted his idea confidently in the meeting, so earning respect from his colleagues and the supervisors. So someone have the valid you can say argument with the teams, and he was able to make sure that you agree with his idea. So in that condition you can use the asserted. He asserted his idea confidently in the meeting. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.